This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So share your screen, share your decision. Sudo hyphen. Okay. So guys, till now we discussed about variables and text processing tools, right? So today I will give few tasks to you. I'm going to write some kind of conditions today. So if condition. So what is if condition? Why do we need that? Can you please open the notepad? Okay, if condition. So guys, first I will show you if condition syntax. So this is if condition, guys. Okay, this is how the syntax is. Here we can give any kind of condition. So example, like I will ask you few things. Example, memory, storage. So you want to upgrade your OS. Assume that. Okay. There are some prerequisites before upgrading. Like there should be enough memory, enough storage, enough maybe what is the current version of the kernel. Okay. Like multiple prerequisites we have to check before OS upgrade. So I want to create a shell script for that. So what is the current available memory? What is the current storage? I have to check. Based on that, I want to. Avinash, can you please mute yourself? First of all, I want to check memory. Okay, so what is memory? How much memory I have? So my requirement is if it is less than 500 MB, I don't want to proceed. Minimum 500 MB available memory should be there. So what is the command? -m. Okay, na? So if you are a human being, that's fine. You can understand this output. So even though you receive this much output, you can easily identify this is required output. But as a shell script, while passing your information to shell script, you have to give proper information, only the required information. I can't give the entire 3 -m. What should I do, guys, to get that particular line? Grep. Then AWK command. AWK -F. So space is the delimiter. Print $7. So we got the output. But my requirement is I want to compare this. Okay, now first, can you please copy this? Don't paste. I need inside the file. No, don't copy like that. Only that particular until 7. No paste. Okay. So I want to take positional parameter. Sorry, output variable. Num equals to as I told, this is the command, right? So I should use backquote. Okay. Now if $mem equals to 500, okay, na? Equals to 500, then echo. As of now, just I'm saying echo. We have enough memory. Else, echo, we don't have enough memory to contain. That's it. So guys, exit means it won't continue further. Okay, your script will be exited. Even though you have other commands here, okay, na, it won't continue further. Here itself, the script will be exited. Okay, now what I am saying here, so the basic script, I'm writing if condition. So this is the condition. This is the syntax of the if, guys. Starts with if, ends with F5. Reverse if. That is the syntax. Okay, reverse if formatting. So anywhere in any program, generally, if you start something, we will close also, like open bracket, square bracket, curly bracket. In the same way, if also I open and I close. So at the end of your if statement, you have to close it with F5. Reverse it. Okay, na? Let's see. So first time, right? So I'm executing first. How have enough memory only, right? Okay. So guys, to understand more what is going on, so there is one command called set hyphen x. What is this command means? So if you want to see in debug mode, okay now, so then we will run this command. We will add this command into your shell script. So each line it will show you what is happening. Now let's see. See the difference, guys. See the difference between this and this. So without set hyphen x, I got simple that statement. But here, each line it is showing. Here statement we have to change actually. It's not equal. Yeah. Actually, we should compare, right? More than or not. Not equal. Hmm. See? Yeah. Okay, so I'm checking whether available memory is greater than 500 or not. Okay. So GA means greater than or equal. Yes. LE means less than or equal. Okay. So I'm checking if condition. First that command executing and that output is storing it into memory. Okay, now then after it is going to if condition. So dollar memory is replaced with 720 and it is comparing now whether it is greater than 500 or not. Obviously it is greater than. True. The condition is true. Okay. So it went to true statement, then statement. Okay, now see, try to understand the output, guys. First, this command executed. Okay, now so that is stored into memory. Okay, available memory 720. Now, if condition started, dollar memory now. So it is comparing. Okay, now if it is true, it will go to true statement. Here, whatever you give, okay, that will be executed. Just I given echo command, but it can be some if you have any other prerequisites, those Linux commands you can give. And here else statement. If the condition is not satisfied, it will come to this part. Okay, now let's add storage also. Example, this file system should have minimum 500 MB to continue further. Okay, na? Minimum 500 MB. So this is what I need. So guys, I need this line. How can I get this from this output? What should I do? How many ways I have? Multiple ways I have. Maybe disk name I cannot. Why? Because the same script I want to use in different EC2 instances. There might be different name for your disk, right? So guys, this script I have to consider in multiple operating system, not only here. So I cannot go with this one, this keyword, grep. So I have to see what is the common keyword in every operating system. In that way, I have to write, not only just considering this operating system. I mean, this EC2. So I have 1,000 EC2 instances. Assume that. In 1,000 servers, I have to consider. So everywhere you may not have what I can say, same disk name. So tell me now, what should I do? Guys, can you please try to make it? Guys, what can I do? How can I get that output? I need the second line. Hmm? Can you please try? Hello? Anybody is there in the class?
I do comment.
Hmm? What should I do? Yeah, sorry guys, I'm back. I got disconnected.
Sir, my camera was on.
Okay. So here I was saying that guys, DF -H means it will show in GBs. I need MBs, right? So I tried with -M. I got this output. Now and I verified the possibilities how to get this line. Okay. Avinash, please don't take the control.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I verified the possibilities, how many ways I get the line, and which line is feasible, which command is feasible for all the systems. As I told, I have 100 system. In 100 system, the same command should work. That kind of feasibility you have to check, guys. I think both should work. So I will take one now. Any one. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, here I need only my available memory. So what should I do? Again, AWK. See, guys, all your text processing tools only. Okay, now, so if you know text processing tools and variable, that's it. Shell script is nothing. You can write any kind of shell script if you know these two components. Print dollar. Which number it is? 1, 2, 3. So $4. Yeah. Okay. Can you copy this line, Avinash?
Which line, sir?
The above line.
This one?
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yeah, paste it now. So now one more if condition. I'm checking for if condition. Storage. Same syntax. Dollar storage. Okay. I can read equal to 500 MB. 500 MB. Then can you copy these three lines? Paste. Should not highlight again. Yeah. Okay. Now let's submit it. Yeah. So now storage also we verify. So why it is showing in detail like this? What is happening? Why? Because this is debug mode. Okay, now if I don't want debug mode, I can remove this slide. Okay, now. So the debug mode is not mandatory. It's up to you. If whenever you face any problem with shell script, okay, now it is not working. Maybe you want to see whether like it is working as expected or not. It is taking as expected or not. The inputs. See, if I don't have debug mode, it won't show. Only the echo commands it will show. Okay. So this is storage part. Now, example, my kernel version also I want to verify. So guys, in your organization, you may not launch all your executions in one shot. Okay, now example, can you please open a putty session? Sorry, paint session. Assume that you are using, this is for WhatsApp organization. Okay, na? This is your data center, development data center, or AWS account. One account for development, one account for testing, one AWS account for production. Okay, so total 3 accounts you have. Let's say chatting related SDLC started. For chatting, how many applications we need internally? So that many servers will be. Example, it's January 2022. Okay, charting related servers we will build here. This is for testing. This is for production. For charting. Okay, January. Maybe it may take 3 months to complete this SDLC to release the charting related version. Now, example, 3 months completed. It's April now. Okay, now we started audio calling SDLC. For audio calling, we build our servers. So we build our audio calling servers in April. So SDLC completed. New release released, new version released to the customer. Now again, video calling. For that purpose, again, for audio calling, 3 months completed. So that means June, July. In July, we build again new servers for video calling. So in your organization, all your servers may not be with the same version. Maybe with respect to kernel version, OS version. They may not be same. So now audio calling, video calling is latest servers. So just now we created, just 1 week back. So I may not I should not update those servers. Already those are updated servers. So only older versions, my chatting related, audio calling related, those servers I have to update. Okay, now. So how can I find out here? So kernel version I want to modify. I want to compare. Okay, example, if you see here, kernel version, so something, this is kernel version. Maybe if you see 3 months back servers, you may see 5.9. Okay, example I'm saying, it may not be exactly. Okay, now sometimes minor versions will be changed. So, like example, previously 5.8, maybe it's 1 year back servers. So I want to compare this one with my current question. So I want to make only 5.9 servers, up to 5.9. If it is 5.10, no problem. I don't want to touch it. If it is 5. Less than 5.10 means I want to upgrade. That is my condition. Just example. Okay, now or maybe some based on some other component. But let's take 5.10 as a. So how to get this output? Here one line only. So direct AWK command I can go. So what is the number? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, I need only this number. Okay. AWK. Okay. Dot right. $1. So with respect to dot, this is 1, this is 2. $2. Which is this? Yeah. Okay. Actually, here floating. So 5.9 means it's a floating value, right? So it won't take 5.10 something like that. So I remove that. So I'll make it like this. Okay, na? So I'll remove those dots. So I'll compare with 510 only. So can you please copy this? Floating points you cannot directly compare that greater than, less than, those values. Yes. No, no, don't paste. Wait. Paste. So without practice, definitely you cannot understand all these things, guys. Simply listening class, okay, and because I've given multiple examples, I asked you to do Google also for each and every command. So if you run those, if you practice those, then only these are very easy. Otherwise, it's a waste of your time. You not understand also. Okay, na? Kernel is less than. Then I want to proceed. Should be less than 510, right? Not greater than. If it is less than, and I don't want to go with equal also. Only if it is less than, okay, less than 510. If it is true,
The first line kernel spelling mistake.
oh, so like this. Now kernel also. So different components I'm verifying here, guys, to do the OS upgrade. Okay, maybe application version also. So to upgrade OS, okay, so sometimes application also should be supported. That version also should be compatible. Okay, now that is the reason we don't directly implement the script in all the system. First, we will take some sample servers, so development servers for each application, guys. First, you will create this shell script in your personal maybe EC2 instance. Okay, now you will take different conditions, different situations in different system, and you'll write the shell script. Then after, first you will take sample servers, development servers for each and every application. Okay, now so then you will implement there, and based on the situation, based on the requirements, you will modify your script. Okay, now then after, if that is working fine, you will go to testing servers. Then after, production servers. So we don't directly go with production servers. Anything, not only this script. Okay, now different things we have to consider. OS version, kernel version, application version. Okay, now whether this application version, whatever application you are running here, right, that should be compatible with OS version and kernel version. అవి కూడా చెక్ చేస్తాం మనం గూగుల్ చేసుకోవాలి. Okay, now we'll check with application team also. They also like will check with their vendor whether it is compatible or not. So this is what shell script, guys. See, nothing. All you need is text processing tools. Okay, now. So if you know text processing tools, writing shell script is nothing. Variables, text processing tools. And if condition syntax, it's just similar. We're not making anything new. Syntax same. Okay. Yeah. So this is what shell script. Now your questions are, can you please take a notepad? Okay. My requirement is, maybe right away we'll do it. My requirement is, oh, it seems you haven't saved it. Last part save challenge. Just you exited. Okay, that's fine. So my requirement is, I want to run this script only as a root user. Guys, so what should I do? Root run chestene na script run aval. Otherwise it should exit. How can I know what is my username? Guys, my condition should be, if it is root user, then I want to continue. Otherwise I don't want. What should I do? Hmm? Tell me guys. How can I check what is my user?
Who am I?
Okay, good. Who am I? So directly I can go. Good. Okay. And guys, here directly I given that who am I, or else I can do one more thing. Maybe I can say like this. This is also fine. Let's see. Instead of both are same. Okay, now directly this command also I can give here, or else like this also I can. Let me do one thing. Let's copy this because I'm in root home directory. Normal user cannot come here. Assume that. Let's copy this to /tmp. Okay, na? Let's yeah, was it? Let me run it now. Okay, so you're running this script as root. So continue. Let me run with normal user. cd/tmp. Serious. Not push. So if condition is to check the conditions, to compare the things. It can be automatically, okay, true or false, these kind of things. Okay, so that is what if condition. So there are some other things also in F condition. So we'll discuss in tomorrow class. So as of now, let's take. So my question is, my question is, I need in percentage. Okay, now if total memory utilization is crossed 70 percentage, okay, now then I want to print a message, something you don't have enough memory, something like that. Please house key. Okay, now so previously directly I verified 500 MB connect unda leda. Now my question is, I have to compare this. What is the total? What is the available? And based on the percentage I have to take. Okay, now so 70% if it is crossed. Okay, now then I should print something like this. So you don't have enough memory. Did you understand my question, guys? Instead of directly checking more than 500 MB or not. So my question is, what is the current utilization? So it should be more than 70%. If it is more than 70%, the utilization is, then it should not continue. Now, in the same way, here also. Okay, so what is the utilization? What is the available memory, available storage in percentage? Okay, now if it is more than 75%, 70%, okay, available, then only like I want to continue. Okay, guys. So that is your task today. You have to write if condition for that. First, find out what is the total, then what is available, then find out the percentage. Okay, now utilization percentages and available percentage. If available percentage is less than 30 percentage, ante kada. Utilization, I'm not asking utilization, I'm asking available percentage. What is the available percentage? And based on that, I want to continue. Just for your, like, I want to see your logics, guys. How you are using the logic here. Logic is important while writing the shell script. Possibilities. First, write down the possibilities. First, how to get this line, guys? Guys, how to get this line? I already showed you. Then after, how to get this to outside? Again, awk command. So that is one variable. Then after, so make it in MBs actually, not in H. H means human being, human readable. I need in MBs. Okay, now make it MBs. So first, take it as one variable, take it as second variable, and by using these two, use expression command to compare it. I mean to get the percentage. So I need available percentage. How much storage available? Okay, now because already utilization percentage is available. So I need available percentage. Okay, so then after write if condition. So here also I need available percentage. How much storage available? Sorry, how much memory available? Okay, so it should be more than 30%. So first take it as a first variable, second variable, then write down if expression command, find out the percentage, then go to if condition. Okay, na? So tomorrow I will give some other tasks also. Still if condition not completed. Okay, so some other things also we have to learn. Then after we'll move to for loop. One more concept, initial state. Okay, so guys, please practice. Without practice, definitely
Sir,
it's very difficult. Okay, yeah, we'll meet again tomorrow.
sir,
Yeah,
I want to delete this folder, sir. What is the command?
RM command.
What, sir?
RM.
RN command, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
And
sir.
one thing, okay, Avinash.
Second, sir.
So ఆ క్వశ్చన్ నన్ను అడిగే బదులు వై నాట్ యూ డిడ్ ఆర్ అండి గూగుల్ చేయొచ్చు కదా
గూగుల్ చేస్తే నాకు అది గూగుల్ చేస్తే నాకు ఇంకో చూపించినాయి సార్ వేరే సంథింగ్
ట్రై
అది
చేయొచ్చు కదా ఇది నీ సిస్టమే కదా దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఈసీ టు ఓన్లీ ఆ కమాండ్స్ రన్ చేస్తే ఎవరన్నా ఏమన్నా అంటారా రాంగ్ అయితే ఏమన్నా అవుతుందా
ఓకే
ఏం కాదు కదా ఎవరైనా కొడతారా నేను
అది లేదు సార్
ట్రై చేయొచ్చు కదా మరి సో గైస్ అప్పుడే మీకు నేర్చుకుంటారు గైస్ సో ట్రై ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ సీ ఇన్ గూగుల్
ఓకే
నో
సార్
ప్రాబ్లం దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఈసీ టు ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రియల్ టైమ్. This is your easy to instance. So whenever you Google something you see in Google, some suggestion, do this, try it. You will understand what is that command. Always remember one thing. While doing R&D, you will get so many answers. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పింది RM కమాండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓకే బట్ అది మీకు పెద్ద గుర్తుండదు అదే మీరు గూగుల్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు హౌ టు డిలీట్ ఎ ఫైల్ అని సో చాలా ఆన్సర్స్ దొరుకుతాయి ఆ R&Dలో ఇంకా వేరే ఆన్సర్స్ దొరుకుతాయి వేరే రిలేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ దొరుకుతాయి సో ఆల్వేస్ థింక్ గైస్ గూగుల్ దట్ ఈస్ ద ఓన్లీ వే టు సర్వైవ్ ఇన్ డెవాప్స్ టు రిమెంబర్ మోర్ గూగుల్ చేయగలగాలి మనం గూగుల్ చేసి మీరు చేస్తున్నారు అంటే మీరు సర్వైవ్ అయిపోయినట్టే డెవాప్స్ లో ఓకేనా ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ గూగుల్ you can survive. So please always before ask any question, do R&D. I'm not saying don't ask me. You can ask me, but when that is the final step. Once you like completed your R&D, you're not able to do it. Then come to final step. Okay. Then only you can learn guys. Yeah. Okay.
ఓకే సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ